But since the Logiboxx is on the truck and the Logiboxx is connected to the RFID reader and GATIS, any item due to be delivered to this specific address is cleared to leave the truck. But if an item intended for another delivery address is removed here instead, an instant alert is sent to GATIS and an audio alert is sounded in the truck. Alternatively, if some cargo remains on the truck and the truck exits the facility, then the Logiboxx will send an alert to GATIS and an audio alert is sounded in the truck. This tells the driver to return to the delivery destination so that the relevant cargo can be delivered properly. This greatly helps to reduce or to eliminate manifest discrepancies and stock loss while also keeping your customers happy. So far, so good, but what about when the driver stops to take a rest or to get some lunch? Can a Logiboxx still continue to secure your stuff? Here, the driver has gone inside a restaurant to get something to eat, but not to worry, the Logiboxx and GATIS are securing the truck. A Logiboxx has 6 customizable sensors. In this case, one is configured to monitor the cargo door. When the cargo door opens, the Logiboxx communicates with the RFID reader to see if the person opening the door is authorized to do so. In this case, neither one of the thieves has an RFID badge on them, so they are not authorized to access the cargo. So the Logiboxx sounds an alert and sends the alert to GATIS so that the authorities can be sent to the scene. This is how Logiboxx can secure your stuff in real time, all of the time. The business intelligence in the Logiboxx offers organizations continuous visibility of their stuff in real time, all of the time. While safely and securely monitoring cargo and vehicles is important, there is much more that a Logiboxx certified solution can do. This is a service truck. It's used to service or repair field-deployed assets. While it has a different role compared to a delivery truck, both can benefit from Logiboxx certified solutions. Here we see a Logiboxx mounted in a cab and a passive RFID reader in the back. And just like with the delivery truck, the Logiboxx is able to communicate with the RFID reader. This is important as the truck needs to have specific tools and equipment loaded onto it in order to handle service calls. As each item is loaded onto the truck, its tag is read and is added to the truck's inventory while it's removed from the service department's inventory. But if a piece of unauthorized equipment is loaded onto the truck, the Logiboxx sounds an audio alert and another alert is sent to GATIS. Once the unauthorized item is removed, the alerts are rescinded. Fully loaded with the required equipment, the truck now heads out to complete its assigned tasks. Here, a power transformer needs servicing. As we see, the employee is removing the equipment he needs to diagnose and repair any problems with the transformer. As each item is removed from the truck, it's checked out of the truck's inventory. With the correct equipment, the employee is able to diagnose the issue and to repair it. With the repair now complete, the employee affixes a new RFID tag on the transformer and records data about the time and the date of the repair, as well as the parts replaced. With the repair completed, the employee loads the equipment back onto the truck. As he does so, the Logiboxx and the RFID reader see each item and they're added back into the truck's inventory. Eager to get to the next service call, the employee accidentally left a very expensive piece of equipment behind. But since the Logiboxx and GATIS can see that an item is missing from the inventory, an alert can be sent to the employee and to the operations center before he moves too far away from the item. Once notified, the truck returns to the service area so the employee can locate the missing equipment. As soon as the item is read by the RFID reader, the Logiboxx tells GATIS and the alert is resolved. The truck is now free to move to the next service area. As the truck moves down the road, back at the operations center, an emergency repair job has been reported. In the operations center, they're able to view all of the field-deployed service trucks, and they also have identified the repair site. The operations center searches for all of the trucks in the field, trying to find the closest one to the incident that also has a Type 3 multimeter on board, as that's what's needed to effect the repair. The search reveals that 4 trucks have Type 3 multimeters on board, and one of them is less than a mile from the repair site. In addition to the Logiboxx, the trucks in this fleet all have the optional Logiboxx Mobile Manager installed in the cab. This means that text messages or voice communications can be sent to the truck so the employees could be rapidly deployed to the repair site. This is another example of workforce optimization provided by Logiboxx Certified Solutions. Instead of waiting for a crew to return to the warehouse, the system allows operations to repurpose field-deployed personnel on the fly. This greatly increases efficiency, reduces waste, and saves resources. Just as before, the Logiboxx and the RFID reader scan each item as it's removed from the truck. The job now complete, everything is loaded back onto the truck. The Logiboxx and GATIS confirm all is loaded, and the employee heads back out to work on the rest of his scheduled stops. As we've shown in this video, Logiboxx Certified Solutions use business intelligence to offer organizations continuous visibility of their stuff in real time, all of the time. By combining intelligent GPS with RFID in the Logiboxx hardware, EarthSearch is able to offer organizations unprecedented information about their assets. Only Logiboxx Certified Solutions can locate, monitor, manage, and secure all of your stuff in real time, all of the time. To learn more, we invite you to visit us at www.logiboxx.com or www.earthsearch.us. You may also call us at 770-953-4184 or toll free 866-503-9316.